must be like a Ghost Rider, right? That motherfucker.
It probably is a Ghost Rider. Like, dude, look at it. Dude's fucking sexy.
You want it? I'll buy it for you for Christmas. I'll buy it for Christmas. Oh, you're recording.
Recording it, dude. They're still recording this shit.
Yeah, that's my ride. They're fixing it, bitches.
I don't know what they're doing to it now.
Huh?
I don't know what they're doing to it now.
I got fucking for Christmas.
Dude, are they taking pictures? I'm taking video. But everyone's all standing around it with cameras, so I figured I'd pull one.
I would laugh at that 2x4 falls. That tire takes off. When they're passing the jack.
Oh, do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Please tell me you're doing it
How
again.
fast this shit might go?
Oh, yeah.
Up from 300, 400.
Please tell me that shit is gonna go on again. I want to catch it.
Good girl. I wanted to take